Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most important organs in your body, your liver. Your liver works hard to detoxify your body, process nutrients, and keep you healthy. But did you know you can give it a boost with the right foods? In this video, we're diving into the best foods to detox your liver naturally and how to incorporate them into your diet. Let's get started. Alright, let's jump right into the list of foods that can help cleanse and rejuvenate your liver naturally. 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with chlorophyll, which helps detoxify the liver by neutralizing toxins. They're also rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation. 2. Beets. Beets are a liver superfood. They contain betalains, which help reduce oxidative stress and support liver function. Plus, they're great for boosting bile flow to aid digestion. 3. Garlic. Garlic is loaded with sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, helping your body flush out toxins. It's also a natural source of selenium, which further supports liver health. 4. Turmeric. This golden spice is a powerhouse of curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric can help repair liver cells and boost bile production, aiding in digestion and detoxification. 5. Citrus fruits. Lemons, limes, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help the liver produce detoxifying enzymes. A glass of warm lemon water in the morning is a fantastic way to kickstart your liver. 6. Avocados. Avocados are rich in glutathione, a compound that helps cleanse the liver of harmful toxins. Plus, they're full of healthy fats that support overall health. 7. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with catechins, a type of antioxidant known to enhance liver function. Swap your regular tea or coffee for green tea to give your liver a gentle detox. 8. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain glucosinolates, which help the liver produce detoxifying enzymes. They're also great for overall digestion and gut health. Now you might be wondering, how do I include all these foods in my diet? It's super easy. Here are a few ideas. Add leafy greens, beets, and avocado to a salad. Start your day with a smoothie made with spinach, citrus fruits, and a dash of turmeric. Include garlic and cruciferous vegetables in your stir-fries or soups. Sip on green tea throughout the day. Simple swaps like these can make a big difference for your liver and your overall health. Remember, your liver is your body's natural detox powerhouse, but it needs your support to function at its best. Eating the right foods can help cleanse your liver, reduce inflammation, and boost your energy levels. Plus, it's a delicious way to care for your health. That's it for today's video. What are your favorite liver-friendly foods? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and take care.